Hi everybody and welcome back to another eyeshadow tutorial. I have been into like smoky eyes recently, so today we're doing a little green wearable smoky eye. I am using the ColourPop Cosmetics Sage the Day palette. This is one of my favorite green eyeshadow palettes. If you don't have this one and you have the Child palette, you can also use that. They're very similar, but I decided to use this one. I think this one's a little bit easier to find. So let's get into it. I'm starting off with the shade Sips Tea, and this is going to be my transition color, but I'm also putting it basically in the crease and all over the lid. Again, this is a smoky eye, so, you know, you can go a little crazy if you want to. So I am a little sick, which is why I sound a little weird. I'm also going to try not to talk so much. So I'm taking the shade Intuition. This is going to be in the crease. Just going back and forth. This is going to be a good transition in between the dark green and also like the light green. So now I'm picking up the shade Smudge Me, and this is going to be going all over the lid. I wanted to build this shade up. I didn't want to go too dark too fast, so I just did 3 light layers, and I finally got to the point where I was happy. Again, this is wearable, so I'm not going with like a crazy intense smoky eye. This is supposed to be more wearable, more, you know, a little daytime and nighttime appropriate, you know, depending on where you're going or what you're doing. And I used like a fluffy shader brush, so I was able to blend it out into the crease, you know what I mean, as you can see here. To help with the blending process a little bit more, I took Keep Calm and I'm just bringing that back and forth. I'm blending out the edges. I'm also going in the crease. I just want to make sure everything is well blended, especially with matte shades. Sometimes they can look a little patchy, a little dry. I didn't have any issues here with this palette, but you know, it's always good to blend, you know. So I'm taking my favorite eyeliner right now. It's by Wet n Wild. This is just their Snoopy collection one, but they do have like a regular eyeliner that you can buy at any time of the year. I will link it below. It's in my Amazon storefront, I believe. But this is so easy to use. It's so dark, it's so black, and it literally does not budge. So I love this eyeliner, and it's so affordable. It's crazy. It's I can't believe it. It's so good and so affordable. I am switching it up today, and I'm using the HOURGLASS concealer. Haven't used this in a long time, so I decided to use it today. I'm sharpening up my eyeliner, of course, you know the drill, and then I do have to color up, what? I do have to cover up my purple and blue right underneath my eyes, so I just took that concealer, and I'm just blending it out. This shade is a little too light for me. I bought the wrong shade, and I really wish I would have returned it because I do like this concealer a lot. Now I'm taking the Givenchy PRISME LIBRE Loose Powder, which I also like. I'm back into this one. I still like my Dermablend, but I do like the Givenchy Loose Powder as well. And then I had to spice this up a little bit, and I did a little bit of shimmer. This is the shade Lit Vibes, and I put it right in the inner corner. It has like a reflect of green. Look how pretty that is. You can see how crazy that is from here, okay? I'm like far away. So now I'm taking Smudge Me, and I lined the lower lash line, and then I'm blending that out with Intuition, the light brown. And I'm going to put on lashes today. These are Kiss BABYDOLL. I really like these a lot, actually. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I have nothing else to say. I hope you enjoyed this. I love this look so much. It really makes my eyes pop. And like I said before, I'm into these smoky looks, okay? Especially for fall and winter. So thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support. I will see you in my next video. Bye!